Welcome back to Money Mindset Lab, where we don't just talk money, we decode wealth. Tell me something. Have you ever looked at a rich person and thought, they must earn way more than me? What if I told you that's usually wrong? What if the real difference isn't their salary, but a simple mathematical force they understood earlier than you? Today, we're exposing the single biggest reason people stay poor despite working hard. And no, it's not your job, your degree, or even your savings account. It's something far more powerful, and dangerous if ignored. By the end of this video, you'll understand why starting your investment journey just 1 year late can cost you a luxury car, a house down payment, or even early retirement. Stick with me. This might be the most important time of your financial life. Let's start with a story. In 1626, Native Americans sold Manhattan Island for $24 worth of beads and trinkets. Sounds like a terrible deal, right? But what if they had invested that $24 at 8% interest? Today, that $24 would be worth over $150 billion, enough to buy back Manhattan many times over. That's the insane power of compound interest. It turns small amounts into fortunes, given enough time. But here's where it gets dark. That same magical force that creates wealth can also steal it from you. Not through market crashes or bad investments, but through something much simpler: waiting. Now, let's personalize this. Meet Sarah and Emma, same salary, same expenses, same intelligence. The only difference? Sarah starts investing $300 per month at age 25. Emma starts the same $300 per month at age 35. Both get 10% average returns. Both retire at 65. Guess the difference. Sarah, $1.4 million. Emma, $452,000. That's a $948,000 gap. Almost $1 million, just for starting 10 years later. But here's what most people miss: it's not linear. The damage isn't $94,800 per year. It's exponential loss. Year 1 delay costs you $5,200. Year 5 delay costs you $38,000. Year 10 delay costs you $948,000. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, but instead of snow, it's your future freedom. Why do we delay then? Our brains are wired against us here. Trap 1. I'll start when I have more money. Reality: the amount doesn't matter, time matters more. $50 per month for 40 years beats $500 per month for 20 years. Trap 2. The market is too risky right now. Reality: time in the market beats timing the market. The best day to start was yesterday. The second best, today. Trap 3. I'm too young to think about retirement. Reality: your 20s are your greatest wealth building weapon. Every $1 invested at 25 becomes $45 at 65. At 35, just $17. This isn't finance, it's behavioral psychology. And winning means beating your own brain. Okay, enough scary stuff. Here's your 3-step escape plan, starting today. Step 1, the 1% rule. Don't try to save 50% of your income overnight. Start with 1%. Investing $50 per month is better than investing $0 perfectly. Open any investment account this week. Step 2, automate your future. Set up automatic monthly transfers. Make it invisible. Your future self will thank you 1,000 times over. Step 3. The do nothing strategy. Once invested, leave it. Your job isn't to check daily. Your job is to wait. Let time work its magic. Remember, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be consistent and early. Look, I know life is busy. Bills. Responsibilities. Dreams. But understand this, every month you delay isn't just about that month's investment. It's about all the compound growth that money would have created for decades. Warren Buffett's secret. He started at 11. Not with millions, with $114. 94% of his wealth came after age 65. Not because he got smarter, but because compounding had more time. You don't need Buffett's genius. You just need to start before everyone else does. Your future wealth isn't determined by the stock you pick. It's determined by the calendar date you start. If this video hit you like a reality check, good. Let that feeling drive action. Here's your homework. Comment below your age and one thing stopping you from investing. Like this video if you realize time is more valuable than money. Subscribe to Money Mindset Lab and hit the bell icon. Share this with someone who's waiting for the right time to start. You might just save their financial future. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time. Right now. Your future millionaire self is waiting. Until next time, think smart, invest early, and build wealth.